I'm going to start by brushing here. Someone say I should teach him or her on how to go live. I'm going to do that. I will do that, but not on this channel, and I'm going to do a tutorial on that, and I think I will drop the already I have a video on how to go live. I have a video on how to go live on my academic channel, so I don't know if I should write out the channel here, then so you can go there and watch. So you go in by brushing your hair. Please don't forget to like. Please do it. Just tap on the screen. I'm not using light right now. I would have make here to be dry off so that this place can lap, but I don't want to use light. So just brush. This is my Christmas hair. So guys, I think I'll be looking at the mirror so I will see what I'm doing. M-O-N. Abi? So guys, I want to put the glue. I want to put the gum, so I'm done arranging the front.
That look cute. Your face, oh, yeah. I know on this place to look at your face, oh.
Vai attach me, você vai dar um.
La foto ali.
I don't know, attach by this time. Or later.
No. What a minute, good idea. Yes.
Do phone, what is this person?
Like you, fire. Oh man.
No, I'm going to So right now I want to go and kill my chicken. I don't want to wait till tomorrow morning. I wanted to wait till tomorrow morning, but I can't wait. I want to start my Christmas now. So guys, follow me to the kitchen. Let me go and prepare. This evening I want to prepare chicken pepper soup. Yeah, tomorrow morning I'm going to cook my fried rice. So right now I want to go to the kitchen to prepare my chicken pepper soup. So this is my cap. Actually, this is supposed to show two lights. I don't know why one light is not on. I don't know. This is my Christmas cap. Let's go to the kitchen. Yes, yeah, this place is going to be noisy because I on Jane. There's no lights, no NEPA lights. So I on Jane. The place is going to be noisy. You might not hear me. Oh, you're not going to hear me. But guys, just manage with me. So I'm going to cut my chicken. Yeah. Oh, let me cut my chicken. Well, Guys, I'm really sweating. I'm still I'm still cooking my pepper. The kitchen is very hot. I can't stay in the kitchen a big very hot. So let me stay here small. We'll go there later. Now my pepper soup is on fire, so I will allow it to boil a little before I will go and check it out. So for now, let me stay here and take some AC because my body is fucking hot. My body is hot, guys. So I'm done cooking my chicken. Now I'm so tired. So this is how I spent my Christmas Eve, from installing my hair by myself to cooking of chicken pepper soup. This is how I spent my Christmas Eve. Today was really stressful to me.